So we do 3 deep breaths. Shall I follow you or do you want to follow me?
I'll follow you.
And do you want eyes open or eyes closed?
Eyes open.
Okay. I'm going to go through my nose because then it just, I don't know, just so that feels better.
Okay.
Let's start now. So who are you, where are you from, and what do you do?
I'm Ruth. I live in Canterbury, where I'm from, small, complicated. And I do a number of different things. I'm a coach supervisor. I lecture in the science of wellbeing or positive psychology. And I do various wellbeing things, but mostly around intercultural wellbeing, so people who move from one place or situation to another.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. And what does positive psychology mean to you?
Positive psychology, I think, is, well, first of all, it's in everything to do with our well-being, but for me it's about having a better understanding of ourselves and others, and what gives us intentional joy, and how we can contribute to the well-being and joy of other people and further out in the world with ripples, I guess.
Yeah, lovely, thank you. So what positive psychology intervention would you say has had the greatest impact in your life?
Definitely perspective interventions. So understanding that words create worlds, that what we understand can be changed intentionally by the lens through which we choose to look at things, and that, you know, all kinds of positive psychology interventions use that gratitude and savouring, and perspective models that I use in cultural transition. I think they're all about that, looking at the world differently.
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you. What about the community? What positive psychology intervention do you think has made the biggest difference in your community?
I think coaching, and because of that perspective shift. So whatever kind of a coach you are, what you do is you hold that space for people to look at their own lives and wishes and goals and dreams differently, and that's incredibly powerful.
It really is. Thank you. And a one-line message of hope for the world, what might that be?
When you change the focus and your narrative, the things that you focus on change as well.
Absolutely, I love it. Are you up for a heart-to-heart hug?
I am, yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.